4x4 shop. Today we install our interface video for a Mazda CX-9 2019 and we did our front camera for it. This is all plug and play interface video to be able to do Android on the factory screen in Mazda, in any type of Mazda. And that's the aftermarket menu. Also, by holding the music button you can go back to factory menu, and whatever is there you can work on with it. And by holding again the music for long, it goes to the aftermarket mode. And right now I connected two USBs. One is our USB dongle for Apple CarPlay Android Auto, and the other USB we are using it for multimedia. By going to video, it shows whatever is on my USB.
New York, Washington DC.
And also, if there is any music on the USB, it plays. There is another aftermarket map in it, and apps are here. We can go to YouTube, and also you can download any other apps you like. You can do mirroring. Waze and Apple CarPlay is here too. Right now I go to our USB dongle. And it's connected to an Android phone, so it does Android Auto. Or we can use Google Maps. And now I'm disconnecting the Android phone and I'm connecting the iPhone to it to do Apple CarPlay. So that's the Apple CarPlay. Spotify, Google Maps, Waze. By clicking on Mazda logo, you can go back to the aftermarket mode again. The backup camera is original camera, so it's already there. And this is the front camera. The backup camera is there too. And on front camera also you can see the sensors are activated too. By going to park, it goes back to the original mode. Also, we can add right camera in the mirror and left camera in the mirror too for blind spots as well. If you're interested to get these type of Android screens, actually Android interfaces, you can give us a call. This is a factory screen. Nothing is changed in the car. So basically all the functions from the factory is working same as before. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.